The standing overhead cable triceps extension with curl bar is an effective isolation exercise that focuses on strengthening and defining the long head of the triceps muscle on the back of your arms. By bending and extending your elbows with your arms overhead, it puts the long head of the triceps through a much better stretch while under tension. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a curl bar handle to the cable machine set to waist height. Grab the bar with a shoulder width grip, then press the bar overhead. Take a small step forward to create tension in the cable, then stand with a staggered stance for balance with your chest upright while facing away from the cable machine. With your core engaged and back flat, bend your elbows so the bar hangs behind your head while keeping your upper arms close to your ears. Straighten your elbows by extending your arms overhead while focusing on squeezing your triceps as you lift the bar. Hold the fully extended position for a moment, ensuring your arms are straight but not locked out. Under control, slowly bend your elbows to lower the bar back behind your head to feel a deep stretch. Avoid flaring your elbows too far out to the sides by keeping your elbows close to your head to ensure the triceps are properly targeted. Keep your core tight to prevent arching your lower back. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.